Proverbs 10 verse 22. The blessing of the Lord, it maketh rich, and he addeth no sorrow with it. It's a message of the Lord for you today, that He will give you more blessings, and that He wants you to keep on asking to Him as always, and to keep on praying and to desiring Him, and that He will give you more of what you want, and there is no sorrow with it. God bless you, and thanks for watching my video.